Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into how you can take your guitar playing skills to the next level. Whether you're a beginner, have been playing for years, there's always room for improvement, so let's get started. First up, regular practice. This might seem obvious, but consistent daily practice is crucial. Even if it's just for 20, maybe 30 minutes a day, regularity helps reinforce muscle memory and keep those fingers nimble. Next, focus on learning new techniques. Diversifying your skills will keep things interesting and challenging. Try fingerpicking if you're used to strumming, or explore different styles of music like jazz or even classical guitar. Another great tip is to play along with recordings. This not only makes practice fun, but also helps you improve with your timing. Pick your favorite songs and try to follow along. One of the most effective ways to improve is by taking lessons, whether it's online lessons like we offer here at forjibero.com, or group classes or one-on-one sessions. Having a structured learning plan and feedback from a teacher can significantly boost your progress. Don't forget about studying music theory. Understanding the theory behind what you're playing can make you a more versatile guitarist. Learn about scales, chord progressions, and key signatures. To sum it up, improving your guitar skills is all about those essentials. Whether it's mastering a particular song, learning a new scale, or playing at a certain speed, having clear objectives will help you motivate and stay focused. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips on how to become a better guitarist. See you next time.